Hi there, students. To unleash. Unleash as a verb. To suddenly release a violent force that is very difficult to control or impossible to control. Um, the storm unleashed its anger on the coast. We would be crazy to initiate a war that we cannot win. Such violent passions were unleashed that fighting broke out. Okay, so to unleash, to let something happen, to let something powerful begin that is very difficult to control, to release. Let's see, a leash is the lead, is the strap that you take your dog for a walk with, yeah? And then you unleash your dog, you take it off the leash and let it free, yeah? Please keep your dog on a leash. You'll probably see a sign saying that, a leash or a lead. And then to unleash, to let free, to not control. Okay, so yeah, he unleashed a furious verbal attack on the opposition parties. Okay, so to unleash, to let fly. Okay, so they unleashed the guard dogs so that they could run around. And then to set free from restraints, he unleashed his anger and started shouting at everybody. Okay, so to unleash, to let go, to release. The boxer unleashed an unstoppable punch. So release, let go. Yeah, to untie, to unbridle. I quite like that, to unbridle. By burning too many fossil fuels, we are creating global warming, and I think we have unleashed a series of events that we are going to have great difficulty in controlling. Okay, so he unleashed his fury, unleashed the dogs of war. Yeah, no, it's actually cry havoc and something the dog and call on the dogs of war. Okay, so to unleash, to let go, to let out. He unleashed a furious cry and attacked me. Notice we can also use this to bring about, to precipitate. The news article unleashed a terrible scandal and terrible repercussions. Yeah. Okay. So to precipitate, to bring about. The arrival of COVID has unleashed many laws that to me sound rather unconstitutional. Yeah, like you can't work if you haven't been vaccinated. I think it's perfectly reasonable, but so to unleash, to let go, to free from a leash. Okay, how formal is this verb unleash? I think I would probably give it a 6 in formality. You could use it in an informal conversation, but it's a fraction on the formal side. To release, to let go. He unleashed his anger on the students. Okay, so and then I guess as an adjective, unleashed, free, unrestrained, unleashed desire. Yeah, unleashed ambition. I think that probably works as well. Okay, so to unleash, a regular verb. He unleashed it. It has been unleashed. And then let's see, this word leash, leash, a leash comes from a lease. You know, you could car leasing, but originally it comes from the Latin word laxa, a thong or a loose cord, which is the feminine form of laxus, meaning loose, lax. Yeah. So to unleash, to unloose, and there you go. That's the meaning. Okay, so yeah, he unleashed his vengeance on the people. He unleashed a burst of anger. He unleashed some very cutting comments. Okay, so to unleash, to let go, to let free. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Unleash.